BlackBerry is back with new Evolve X, which completes the set of two smartphones which became official today in most parts of world to get back in position and generate some revenue for company. BlackBerry Evolve X is a mid-range phone with moderate technical specifications used to compensate the users with moderate income. Best thing about this BlackBerry's Evolve X is its software, which is now based on Android operating system, and through the veins of this phone Oreo 8.1 is flowing, which is the latest product of Android for smartphones like Evolve X by BlackBerry. Before new software, this brand was using its own custom-made software, but now with the passage of time they know the worth of new software. That's why BlackBerry Evolve X is gonna come out of box with Android software provided by Google. In other specifications, the main components of the phone is display, and BlackBerry Evolve X's display is made of IPS matrix and size of the screen will be 5.99 inches, whereas the resolution of the display is 1080 x 2160 pixels. 16 million colors are going to power up Evolve X's pixels, where due to these colors you will be able to watch bright colors in smartphone's display. To play games, multi-touch support is also added to the screen of BlackBerry X. Corning Gorilla Glass 5 is laid on top of screen, which has the job to protect the display from shattering or scratches. Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 chipset of BlackBerry Evolve X is equipped with an octa-core processor which has clock speed of 2.2 GHz, and to do multitasking 6 GB RAM is hired, while internal storage is 64 GB.